What's going on, guys? My name is Kerry, and today I'm going to show you how you can save over $1,000 on a new manufactured home. Unfortunately, over the last 12 months, because of a bunch of factors out of anyone's control, manufactured home prices have increased. I read all the comments on my channel, and I've noticed that people who are in the market to buy are frustrated that the same house they were looking at last year is now going to cost them $2,000, $3,000, even $10,000 more. What I'm going to do is share a couple of tips that could potentially save you thousands of dollars and hopefully ease a little bit of that frustration. If you find this kind of information valuable, make sure to hit the like button. That way I know to make more videos like this. Go ahead, right down below, you hit it, it'll turn blue, and we can move on. With that out of the way, let's get right into how you can save over $1,000 on a new manufactured home. When the price of a manufactured home is creeping up to the point where it's at or even above someone's budget, occasionally they'll start looking for ways that they can cut back in order to save money. They'll say things like, well, what if we ship it with the drywall unfinished or without the cabinets, and I'll finish both of those things myself. I'm a pretty handy guy. This typically is not a good idea. When it comes to the inside of the home, you're gonna have a really hard time saving money by finishing anything yourself. When I show people the credit they would get from the factory by not getting something finished, and they think about the time and energy it's gonna take them to get the job done, they quickly realize it isn't gonna be worth it. The factories are in the business of selling homes, so they need to stock everything they require to build a home start to finish. And they buy a lot of all the materials, so they get a really good deal. You know what they aren't in the business of? Selling kitchen appliances. Over the years, I've noticed that most people want to upgrade the appliances. With most factories, the standard appliances in the kitchen are an 18 cubic foot fridge and a coil top range, both of which come in either white or black. Some factories will include a built-in microwave, and some will include a dishwasher, but most don't. People typically don't want the standard appliances. They want the bigger fridge, they want the smoother gas top range, and luckily both are offered directly from the factory, so it's no problem. You add it to your order, comes in the house, easy peasy. However, my theory is that the factories only offer a bunch of fridge and kitchen appliance options because they have to stay competitive, but they don't really like to. Think about it. They're big, they take up a lot of space, they're heavy to move around, and all in all, they're just a massive pain in the neck. So what I think they do to compensate for how annoying it is for them to keep these things around just in case someone decides to order them is to bump up the price just a bit so it's worth their while. So if Samuel Gray decides to order a 25 cubic foot fridge, they know they're gonna make a couple $100 to make the hassle worth their time. Some factories keep the optional appliances in stock, others will bring them in when the orders are placed, but either way, it's an annoyance. You know who is in the business of selling appliances? Furniture stores. And it's a competitive business, so they're almost always running sales. This trick only works if you're planning to upgrade the appliances in your new home. If you're planning to keep the standard appliances and you want to do this, it's not going to work. In fact, you're probably going to lose money. This is one of the few areas where the factory credit that you'll get back by not taking what they're offering is actually pretty decent. To test my appliance upgrade theory, I logged into the back office, which is basically where I go to look at option prices and place orders, and check to see how much it would cost to upgrade from the standard fridge to a 25 cubic foot fridge with a bottom freezer. Then I went on the Brick's website. If you don't have the Brick in the States, it's a furniture store that's in almost every center with over 20,000 people. I found the exact same fridge for $438 less than the factory upgrade. But wait, there's more. Then you get to add the credit that you would get from not taking the standard fridge that the factory offers, and the price difference becomes $938. So you're saving $938 and you end up with the exact same fridge. You can do this with the range as well. I checked the upgrade for a gas range and the difference was $171 for a grand total between the fridge and the range of $1,109 saved. That was for the exact same model of Whirlpool appliances. There were better deals on there with other brands, but for this example, I wanted to compare apples to apples. If you want to take it even further, you can wait for one of the big sales that furniture stores do once or twice a year. The one showing now isn't anything special. I just went on there the day I'm recording this video, which is Wednesday, February 24th. So I think it's just one of those sales that's kind of just running at all times. You know the ones. It says it's a sale, but it's been running for like 6 months. So at that point, is it even a sale or is that just the price? If you went on one of the big sale days like Boxing Day or Black Friday, you're gonna be able to push the savings even more. I don't think it would be unrealistic to say that you could probably save up to $1,500 on your appliance upgrade by going on one of the big sale days, or if you aren't worried about what brand you get. Before we get too excited, I do need to point out a few of the downsides. So yes, we are saving $1,109 on an appliance upgrade, but what we're saving in money, we're losing in convenience. So all the reasons that I think the factories don't necessarily like selling the upgraded appliances now falls on you. You have to order it, and if it comes in early, the store might want you to pick it up, in which case you have to now find somewhere to put it until the house gets here. Or the other side of that is you order it too late, or you order it on time and the item's back ordered. Then your house arrives, but your fridge is nowhere to be seen. So for the first month or however long your fridge is back ordered, you're sitting there eating takeout. That doesn't sound that bad actually. The last and maybe biggest downside of saving over $1,000 on upgraded appliances is now you're gonna have to pay for them out of pocket. You won't be able to include that cost in your mortgage, which you would be able to do if you were getting the appliances shipped inside the house from the factory. Saving a big chunk of money is always great, but you're gonna have to put some serious thought into what option is gonna be best for you, because the savings do come with some potential problems. If you're looking for an easy breezy, no stress purchase, the factory upgrades are a perfect hassle-free option. You're just paying a little bit more for the convenience. If the budget's tight and you don't mind a little bit of potential stress, this little trick is a golden ticket to over $1,000 in savings. To recap, if you want to save over $1,000 on an appliance upgrade in a new manufactured home, here's what you want to do. Step 1, omit the standard appliances from the order. Make sure you get the factory credit. Step 2, find a big sale and secure the appliances you want at a massive discount. Step 3, decide what you're gonna do with all that extra walking around money. That's all I've got for today. If you wanna see more videos about saving money on new manufactured homes, give the video a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll keep them coming. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.